I'm Robin Clevitt and I'm out on tour with the 101 uses of a multi-tool. Now I'm just on a refurbishment job where I need to check a few construction details of the existing building. So that involves me going around making some neat holes that can potentially be made good if needed. So what I like to keep in my multi-tool kit is a hole saw. Yes, a hole saw for a multi-tool. People might be thinking, go and get your drill out and all the rest of it, but actually I'm doing a lot of investigation. I want to use one tool where I can cut, I can make holes, and this 65mm hole saw is exactly what I need to do this job. I'm going to make some holes in this wall, for example, to check just exactly what's inside. There's been some confusion of why this wall is so thick, so the easiest way to do it is just to carefully use the multi-tool. I've got a bit more control with this than the drill because I can just lever it in, make a nice hole through there. I'll shine the torch in and just see exactly what's going in. While I'm here doing this, I'm going to cut through this raking ceiling here. I want to know what insulation, if any, is behind here too. So using a 65mm hole saw in a multi-tool, I was easily able to make these two small inspection holes. I was able to shine my torch through and have a little look at what was going on here. There was confusion here in this building of why this was made from stud work. It sounded hollow. Everyone said that this was a load-bearing element, and basically all they've done is faced off the brickwork and the blockwork behind. So I know that this is now safe to remove. We can easily get this out of our way, see what's going on. It's not holding anything up. I've had a good look and it's basically just batten and plasterboard. And while we were here, we needed to check what the roof insulation was. We couldn't get to it any other way apart from drilling a small hole here. We've got an insulated plasterboard. And then between the rafters, we've got a polystyrene, which is not really the done thing anymore. And we've got some rafters which are around about 6 inches or 150mm thick. So from that, my engineer and also the architect can work out exactly what we need to do to bring this property up to current building regulations. Thanks for joining me on the 101 uses of a multi-tool.